Hello my dear ethical hackers, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how we can use the WHOIS tool. In this video, we are going to use BuiltWith. Now BuiltWith is a tool that will give you even much more information, a lot of additional information about what that site is using. If you really want to know what that site is built upon, what kind of web servers you're using, what kind of CMS content management system they're using, what are the analytics tools that they are having, what are their marketing tools, what are the frameworks, and so much more. Now, why would anybody want to know this information? Remember, your job is to test, that is perform penetration testing. Remember, your job is to hack people, and the only way you can hack the website, if you can hack the online presence, is by knowing what they are made of. Is it made of Java? Is it made of CMS like WordPress, or is it made of Joomla? Is it using Shopify? Is it using Magento? What kind of hosting providers do they have? Are they using analytics like Google Analytics, or are they using Facebook Pixel? What kind of security tools do they have? Is that website having SSL certification? Are there any web application firewalls? The more information you know, the better you are in a position to hack somebody, isn't it? So this BuiltWith tool can be used for competitive analysis. If you are researching your competitors, this is a great tool. If you are adopting the latest technology, you want to see what technology others are using, this is a great tool. It is fantastic for lead generation, and it is used most popularly even by hackers just to see what are we up against, what technology is that website using. And if I know the answer to which technology that website is using, I can prepare my methods to hack it accordingly. Let's jump in and let's start using BuiltWith. So all you have to do is you go to your browser. Let's go into BuiltWith. You can just go to Google and you can even search for what technology is that site using. It's simple Google command. Okay, you do not have to type anything except plain English, and the very first site that will show you is BuiltWith Technology Lookup. So that's the site we want to visit, builtwith.com, and click over here. You could have very well typed builtwith.com directly in the URL, but I wanted to show you how easy it is for you to get inside this. And let us see what this website is built with. So here I will check out, first of all, my own website, jasminlaura.com. You can copy Ctrl+C and you can paste that Ctrl+V, and you can just click on lookup. And now you will see that it is gathering information about my website. I'm using Google Analytics 4, Monster Insights, WordPress plugins. This shows that my website is WordPress based. How does this help a hacker? The hacker now knows that this is a WordPress based website. And so if the hacker can check what are the vulnerabilities available in WordPress, the hacker can hack. In module 3, we will learn how we can find out what vulnerabilities are there on this website. Right now, we are in information gathering mode. I'm using Smart Slider 3. Is Smart Slider 3 a plugin that is exploitable? If so, you can hack into my website. And so on and so forth. You will see that it is using this kind of a framework. It's using all these tools, and who knows, one of these tools just might be exploitable, and that is what the hacker checks out. So all this information has been listed by BuiltWith. Let us try yet another website. This time I will just see if I can check the information about udemy.com. Let's copy paste Ctrl+C and put that over here. Ctrl+V and click on lookup. And now BuiltWith.com is displaying all the information about udemy.com. So you can see all the technologies that are being used: JavaScript, Braze, Datadog, Swift Science, New Relic. So what you would have to do is, now the hacker would spend weeks and weeks researching every single plugin, researching every single framework, every single tool that has been integrated into this tool. And who knows, one of these just might be hackable. So in the movies, you see that the hacker presses a few buttons and the website gets hacked. In the real world, it is not so easy. It takes weeks and months and sometimes years of preparation before the hacker can find and exploit any weaknesses. So this is the detail of our favorite website, that is udemy.com. So this is how you and me can gather information. This is how a penetration can gather information before they can start exploiting those weaknesses. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.